Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the barcode scanner in the Amazon shopping app. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the home screen, look at the search bar near the top of the screen. Inside the search bar, you will see a small camera icon. Tap on that camera icon to open the Amazon scanner feature. If this is your first time using it, Amazon may ask for permission to access your phone camera. Tap Allow or Continue to give camera access. After that, the scanner screen will appear. From here, tap on the barcode option to switch the scanner into barcode scanning mode. Now point your phone camera at the barcode of the product you want to scan. Make sure the barcode is clearly visible inside the scanner frame. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.